Our goal for this video is to be able to construct an angle that has a measure of 45 degrees. Right? Now what I am going to do is to take you through this step one by one. The first thing that I want you to do is to draw a straight line. After drawing the straight line, you're going to call the end point of that straight line PQ, creating the line segment PQ. That line segment will be one leg or one arm of the angle that we are going to construct. And this is how you would do it. Now, what we're going to do, we are going to take our compass, right? And you're going to place it at point P. You're going to open the radius of your compass and ensure that it is more than half the length of PQ, right? And this is how you would do it. Note there, my compass has a radius that is more than half the length of PQ. From point P and Q, you're going to draw an arc to both sides of the line intersecting each other. And this is how you would do it. Now you're going to take your ruler and line it up with both intersecting arcs. Draw a straight line that intersects the line segment PQ. And this is how you would do it. Note there, that line that you just constructed would be the perpendicular bisector for the line segment PQ. What that means, that line intersects the line PQ at midpoint. So it shares the line in two equal parts. So what you're going to do now is to place your compass point where the line intersects the line segment PQ. You're going to open your compass to point P. And this is how you would do it. Now, what you're going to do is to scribe an arc to intersect the perpendicular bisector. So you're going to scribe an arc above, right, to intersect the perpendicular bisector. Where that arc intersects the perpendicular bisector, call it C. And this is how you would do it. So now you know that we have the point C. So you're going to take your ruler and line up point P and point C, and you're going to draw a straight line, and that will create your 45 degrees angle. And this is how you would do it. So note there, at the end point of the line, you can call it R. And that would create the angle RPQ. And RPQ has a measure of 45 degrees. We're going to focus on how do we construct a 90 degrees angle. Now what I want you to do is to draw a straight line, and at the end point call it C. You're going to make a point above the line and you're going to call it point D, anywhere above the line. And this is how you would do it. Now what you're going to do, you're going to place your compass point at D and set the radius of your compass to the end point C. So here, note there that my compass point is at D and the radius is open to point C. What you're going to do from point D, you're going to draw a semicircle intersecting the line C, and this is how you would do it. Note there that where the semicircle intersect the line C, you're going to call it point D. What you're going to do, you're going to take your ruler to line up point D with point B and draw a diameter, and this is how you would do it. At that point, that is directly above C, you're going to call it point A, and you're going to take your ruler to connect point A to point C, and that will give you your 90 degrees angle. And this is how you would do it. So note there, the angle ACB is 90 degrees. Or you could say the angle BCA is 90 degrees. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.